I'm going to show you how to make an email using the Seller system. So Seller makes it really easy. We've got a thing in there called the Email Designer, and so let's take a look at that now. If you click on the Edit button at the top, creating an email is actually very similar to creating a web page. And so we click on this @ symbol here for the Email Designer, and then you enter the name of the email that you want to create. I'm going to actually call this one Crazy Video, because this is an email we're going to use for an autoresponder on our Seller demo site, which is selling sports cameras. So Crazy Video, if I click on add there, and then you simply click on the name Crazy Video there, that will take you to the empty email, and the header and the footer will already be populated there. And so what you'll need to do is add what blocks you want to go into the email. So you click on this Content Blocks button here, and then Main Section Blocks there, and I'm going to have an image at the top like that. Then click on the Main Section Blocks button again. Then I'm going to have a text area with a button, and Main Section Blocks, and then I'm going to have an item list. Actually, now I'm going to have another text area, and then underneath that, an item list. So you just build up the blocks that you want to go on your email. And so this is we've got here. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to hide. Now I'm going to show the button because I want to have a button on here because it's going to point to a video. There we are. So I'm just going to put here Crazy Video 1. Crazy Video 1 is Dave from the office doing his first parachute jump with a Sony HDR camera. Click on OK there. Oh yeah, I need to change the text on this button as well. So click to view this video. Click to view the video, and then I'm going to have some products underneath with the text above it. So check out some of our latest cameras which have check out some of our latest cameras which have just been added to our online store. And then I'm just going to change this picture for a parachute picture. There, we use that one there. So there we go. So this particular email is going to be used in an autoresponder sign up sequence, a prospect sequence, and it's for a demo store, and it's about some crazy videos. And so the first one here, as you can see, it's a video of a guy doing a parachute jump. Crazy Video 1 is Dave from the office doing his first parachute jump with a Sony HDR camera. Of course, you could use your own actual picture there if you had one. Click to view the video. You would click on the hand icon there, and then you can point that, in this case, I'd point that to a YouTube video. And then check out some of our latest cameras which have just been added to our online store. If you want to choose which items you have in this list, click on the folder icon, and you can choose a collection. I would use email items, which is a collection I've created. So that's those items there. And then the footer's already there with an unsubscribe button. So that's how to create the email in the Email Designer. And so you could use that anywhere in the system. For example, if I go to the control panel, and let's say you just wanted to schedule an email, email marketing schedule emails, then you'd click on create new email, and it says Crazy Video there. You could just click on select and enter a subject there. Of course, with the subject, you can enter, you can personalize it. For example, exclamation mark first name. First name, take a look at what Dave has been up to. Then you'd click on select for Crazy Video, and then you can schedule that email there. Of course, don't forget to change the send date and the list that you want to send it to. And if I click on view, there's the email there. Great looking email, really modern, great looking email. You will see in here, it'll automatically show you how many people have read and delisted and that kind of thing. And the other thing to note is when you create an email like this, it creates a copy of the template. So you can then go back to the Email Designer and change that email and use that as the basis for your next email as well. If you want to change this email, you can actually click on edit and edit the code directly in the email, but most of the time you might as well just delete it and change the Email Designer template and create a new email from that. So that's how you create an email in the Seller system.